Continuing with the construction of my bridge, I've decided that I'm going to put some kind of a guard across here, and that would consist of a kind of fence and some handrail. So for the fence, I'm going to try this fiberglass screen patching material, and I'll cut that into the appropriate heights and run it across the length of the bridge. And I got this at the local hardware automotive store. And then for the handrail, I picked up this garden material. Well, it's saying it's for crafts and such like. So it's a very small diameter rod, and I'll use that in combination with this screening material to complete the bridge in terms of a safety screen and handrails. So I've cut out a height of 16 millimeters, which translates to 4 feet. And the instructions were to peel the back off and apply it. So let's do that. So there's the one screen in for the full width of the bridge. And there's only adhesive at either side of the white backing strip. So I'll need to go in and just drop in a little bit of glue to make it adhere to the other structural components. Once I've finished that, I'll then install the handrail. I've just painted the handrail silver, and while that's drying, I might just do a little bit of silver dry brush onto the railing, onto the fence. So the paint is dry on the rod, and I'm trying to adhere it to the safety fence, but with the white glue I'm not having much luck. I think I'll have to use crazy glue. I've taped down the first rod just to make it easier for me to apply the crazy glue. Now I have that top rail in place. I use crazy glue. It works much better. So you see it's got the right effect. And now we have one side of the bridge complete with the safety guard and the handrails. Crazy glue was a better adhesive for this application. So if you enjoyed that, please remember to give me the big thumbs up. You know how it goes. And look forward to the other side being completed, and then we'll be attaching a roadway to it, and probably a couple of transverse beams up here to stabilise the structure. I will see you next time here at Partickhill Station. Bye for now.